What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today, as you can see, we are back on the set of my recreation of Orion from King's Island. And right now we are going to knock out the next two big elements. This is the big overbanked wave turn and also the turnaround point over at the end of the coaster. So we are going to be showing the construction of that today.
We're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater than ourselves that we must reach for.
So this is where things begin to get difficult. Because this is a B&M coaster, it has a very distinct look, so I had to make sure the track and the supports looked the best while at the same time stayed as sturdy as possible. So the way I did this was I used the method I use for most coasters by building from the track down to the ground. So I make sure the track is profiled the correct way so that the train can run along it smoothly, and then I build the supports off of it, making sure those can support it the best way while looking the same way it does on the regular coaster.
Into the infinite that we must reach. Into the infinite that we must reach.
Now, what makes building this coaster really easy is the fact that I'm just rinse and repeating all the methods that I use for each element. So I'm pretty much just looking at the supports for the coaster and then building from the track down, look at the next support, build from the track down, so on and so forth. And it's easy because I've been doing this for years now, and I'm now very experienced in it. So the more practice you get in on using your methods and looking at track pieces on how they look, the more skill you will gain and experience you will gain off of building coasters, and you will be able to use those methods on customs or recreations.
We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp.
Alrighty, there you guys have it. So the next two elements are now installed. Obviously that turnaround is only about halfway finished, but we are getting to the finish of that element, and up next will be the next few airtime hills and the helix that will be right next to the lift hill. So thank you guys for watching this, and be sure to stay tuned for more updates coming up for my Orion recreation. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, as I will keep it coming. Thank you guys, and I will see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!